Alpha Mind Power online live classes by Sri Mata Vijayalakshmi Pandayan. Mobile app Alpha Mind Power.
Namaste, students and parents and everyone at home. So, if a student is facing a board exam, 10th, 12th or any other entrance exam also, most of the time the parents and elders at home are under much more tension than the candidate who is about to write the exams. Many times I have seen people whose son or daughter is appearing for the 12th board exams. They are so tense throughout the year that they torture themselves. You call them for something, they say, no, my son is writing 12th this year, so I cannot move anywhere. I have to be there always at home. I used to wonder, I used to ask them, see, it's your son who's going to study, what are you going to do at home? No, I have to be there. So there is so much tension in the minds of the parents because they want to see their children excel in whatever they do. That is the reason. But then it always, somewhere it goes wrong and it becomes more of anxiety and fear and tension. And it results in a lot of frustration and anger, which they completely take out on the child. That is where it goes wrong. So all the anger and all the frustration comes out on the child, on the student who is about to write the exam. Now if the student is watching TV, let's say, then the parent loses his control. He says, you're writing 12th exam and you're sitting and watching TV. Automatically the child gets frustrated, the child gets annoyed, he doesn't know what to do, and then his mind energy also gets distorted, and then if you ask him to study, it's very difficult. So if your child is facing an exam, then the parents and elders and others at home have to be very calm. Provide that calmness to your child, and in a mature way you can pressurize the child a little bit, because if it's a board exam, then little bit of that pressure is required. Keep reminding the child, yes, look, you have 12, so please sit and study. You have your exams coming up. But do not allow your fear, anxiety and frustration to spill over to the child. It doesn't help at all. So that is where the parents have to have a little bit of control on their emotions. Second, try and avoid distractions. When I say distractions, what I mean is, see, in certain households, in certain homes, there are always people visiting, there are friends dropping in, relatives dropping in, and every time there is a kind of party going on, there is something happening there, a lot of noise, a lot of happiness. It's nothing wrong. But if a child is preparing for a board exam, then when all this is happening in the hall, if you ask the child to go to another room and study, the child's mind is going to be only here. So when it is time for a child to face an exam, then it is also important that you provide a little calm atmosphere at home, where there is not much of a distraction for the child, so that the child can use his entire mind energy, his focus to study. So that is very important. Now, considering all this, it becomes very clear that if your child is preparing for a board exam or an entrance exam, then as a parent or as an elder person in the house, you have to be very calm, you have to be very mature, and you have to provide the right energy to the child. So I would say, if you could do a small meditation every day, calm yourself, and you can even speak to the subconscious mind of your child and motivate him or her to study, that would fetch you better results than getting angry or frustrated. So it's very important for parents to provide that kind of support and tell your child that do your best, do not worry about anything else, but just do your best. So you are there, you tell them that whatever it is, we are there, whatever you want, tell us, give them nutritious food, make sure your child gets sufficient sleep, all that is very important. So to provide all this, the parents, elders at home need to be calm, need to be a little mature, a little bit of meditation can help you there. So keep all that in mind, and I'm sure you will be able to support your child to get the best results and come out with flying colors.